Alright guys, Umeli once told Liema his strategy is to be in a relationship. Guys, on the first week, Umeli and Liema, they were very close. They used to talk before Umeli being in a relationship with Thandeka. Sometimes people blame Liema, saying that she's so obsessed with Thandeka and Meli's relationship is because she knows the strategy. Guys, it's very hard for Liema to believe because these two people love each other. So yesterday Liema said Uti every time Thandeka sit down Umeli he's not happy. Guys, when Smash say Thandeka, you as if you can see if face Umeli he's not happy. Guys, yesterday Smash asked Umeli and Thandeka to say, do you think your relationship is gonna work outside? The first person to answer it was Thandeka. Umeli took few seconds to answer. You can see Uri was not ready for that answer, guys, and people are saying, no man, something is going on in Umeli, guys. It seems like Umeli he's using Thandeka. Fences like Thandeka, they're saying as much as we don't like Liema, but when it comes to this one, we need to agree with her. So guys, one thing about Liema, she's ready to cause a drama. So today she said something to Tracy. This is what she's planning to do, guys. I was like, Liema, what is wrong with you? So Liema says she's planning to go and sit with Thandeka and Meli. They are having a conversation because she wants to see a reaction. Yeah, Thandeka. It's a game. You need to give us drama, guys. We don't vote for nothing. Guys, some people are saying they hope Thandeka don't give her the attention, guys. They just hope Thandeka should stand up and walk away, guys. The Liema, she's planning to do something that people never thought she could do it, guys. She says she's ready to see those two people who they love each other. One thing about Liema, she has a strong fan base, guys. Even if she caused drama, it doesn't matter. Right now, I'm worried about Tracy, guys. Tracy has now replaced Udidi. Since yesterday, guys, it seems like Udidi, she has distanced herself from Liema, guys. Now it is Tracy and Liema spending time together. And people are saying, give us Tracy. We want to see Tracy home because it seems like she's not minding her own business. But when it comes to Liema, guys, one thing about Liema, guys, is she's very smart. She knows that even if I do anything, I have a strong fan base. People agree with Liema. Whatever Liema she does, she's never wrong in their eyes, guys. So Liema, she's planning to cause drama this week. Let's hope Thandeka pass this test. So it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care first. I love you.